Hey guys, hope you're fine and doing well. As we have studied about the order class, today I want to do some practical work with the order class. So we are connecting to our server MySQL, we are coming to the bin folder, we are coming to CMD, writing MySQL D. Hope you now get all these things because it is very cool now. We are minimizing it and we are coming again to CMD and you're writing MySQL-u root, and now we are done with it. We are just coming here, show the databases. These are the simplest things that we know. So we are using the dream home. It is a database we have already created. Now we show tables. In this we are having 7 different tables like branch, client, private owner, property per rent. I am selecting data from branch. We will see what is in the branch. Select a string from branch. Here we are not having a good data. I will come to client because we are using the class, and the class is about ordering. We will order it by something good, like we will spot it very easily, like select a string from client. Client will have, I think, max rent. Here we have max rent, so we will use order by class here. So what is order by class? Some of the times we need the data, as here we see 350, 600, 750 and per 25, but we want to be it in an organized descending or ascending order. We use the class order by for this issue. So we are having select a string from, what is the table name? The table name is client order by max rent. Here we have A is C per ascending and D is C per descending. Now look, here we have ascending to descending, from small, smaller, smallest, and so on. We are having 350, 425, 600 and 750, from smaller to the biggest one. If you want in descending mode, we can do that also. We will have and one thing I want to tell you guys, whenever you are writing the query and you have the same query with a little different, just enter the page down, it will come. We are now just removing a C and changing it to DESC. Now look to the data, it is descending from the biggest to the smallest one. So this is the order by class. In some of cases we need to show our data in different ways, like from descending, ascending, and also we need sometimes that our data to show from small to the biggest one and from the biggest one to the smallest one. So we use this one. So we use the order by class. We can also use with other columns, like page down. We are order by, for example, client number. We are also client number. Now look guys, we are having descending 76 per 74, 62 and 56. We have here 74 in 62, 76, 56. It is not in order. We have ordered it, and also we can have it in ascending mode, like here 56, 62, 74, 76. So this is the order by class. Hope you enjoyed this video. We will have distinct value in our next lesson. Thanks for watching. See you next time.